Alright guys, I'll be teaching you guys how to make this beautiful rose cup. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, go ahead and bring your cup bra like this and fold it like this. So after folding, this is the easiest way to cut your lining piece for your cup while making your corset. Alright, the easiest way to cut out your lining piece. Alright, so go ahead and mark it like this, giving half inch all the way around, just like you've seen me do. Alright, go ahead and cut it out, after which you're done. So I went ahead to cut out 4 pieces. We'll be using 2 pieces for each bra cup. So when you fold it like this, then you go ahead and sew at this curvy part of it using your 0.5 inches. Alright, keep this aside. Now go ahead and bring in your fabric and fold it in a triangular form like this. And the length you'll be using is 18 inches. As you can see here, go ahead and mark out your 18 inches. 18 is mostly used for most person. I think this is the highest you can use. Alright, it works for most persons. Alright, after marking it, go ahead and cut it out like this, just like you see me do. Alright, if you've watched this video up to this point, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. It helps us grow. Alright, so the next thing we'll do right now is to bring our fabric like this. This side that has the opening, go ahead and sew your ½ inch all the way from the pointed edge to the bottom part. Alright, go ahead and sew it all the way from the beginning to the end. Then bring your lining piece. Remember the part where I said we'll be sewing, the curvy part. Just go ahead and sew it also using your 0.5, which is your ½ inches. Go ahead and sew it all the way to the end, just like you see me marking. Alright, so I'll go ahead and do this in my machine and I'll come back. So after I was done, you've seen how this look. This is beautiful already. You can see this is the easiest way to cut out and sew your lining piece for your corset. Alright, the next thing I'll go ahead to do right now is to bring this triangular shape that we cut out. Now you are going to go ahead and turn it like this. You're going to turn it like this, just the same way you've seen me do, and automatically you can see the drape this is giving. Alright, you can see how beautiful this is coming out already. This is exactly what you're going to do. Alright, so now go ahead and bring your ready made cup. Alright, bring it and then place it at the center of it, and this is the point where you have to play with this. Just go ahead and arrange it the way you want it to be. Go ahead and arrange it, just play with it. Alright, so this is me arranging mine, trying to put it in place. And to secure this, you need an office pin for this. Alright, so go ahead and bring your pins, and then when you arrange, go ahead and tack it to the bra cup itself, just like you've seen me do. So I'll just go ahead and pin this to the bra cup. Alright, so go ahead and do the same thing. This is to hold it firm, to secure it on your bra cup. And while pinning, you can also go ahead and keep arranging it until you get exactly what you want. All right, so I'll just go ahead and pin this all the way around, just like you've seen me do. All right, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you find this video helpful. All right, so I'll just go ahead and keep pinning and keep pinning and keep arranging, keep playing with it till I am comfortable with the design it will give. All right, so just go ahead and keep arranging. So after I was done pinning all the way round, so this is what I have and I'm comfortable with this design. So the next thing we'll do is to go ahead and cut out the excess on our cup, just like what you've seen me do here. Go ahead and cut out the excess, and then after cutting out, you will realize how this will look beautiful. Automatically it will come out. All right, so just go ahead and trim it out, just like you've seen me do. All right, so after spinning, the next thing we are going to do is to bring a matching thread. All right, hope you understand. Go ahead and bring a matching thread and your hand needle to tag this on the bra cup. All right, now while tagging this is the area where we take our pins out. All right, hope you understand. So I already went ahead to do the same for this other cup. So the next thing, like I said earlier, is to bring your matching thread and your hand needle, just to go ahead and hold it firm to the bra cup. And while doing this, we can go as well ahead to take out our pins off our cup. So go ahead and secure this with your needle and thread very firm. You secure it first before taking off your pins so it won't be scattered. Hope you understand. All right. So I'll just keep arranging and tacking this till I am done. And as you can see, I am sewing from the inside, like from the cup. All right, because we don't want to see any rough threads on our rows outside the cup. So everything you're doing should be from the inside, just like you've seen me do. And then go ahead and secure it. And as you can see, the rough edge will be inside. I hope you understand. Just go ahead and do exactly what you see me do. I'll just go ahead and cut it out with my scissors to continue tagging the other part of it. So after I was done tagging, you can see the rough edges are inside and you can see how beautiful this is looking on the outside. So I'll just go ahead and run a top stitch all the way round of this bra cup. All right, so the next thing I'll also do right now is to bring my lining, and then I'll place it like this at the upper part of it, and then I will turn it at the upper part of it, and then flip it over like this and run a top stitch. So after I was done, this is what I have, and this is basically all for the cutting and draping of this beautiful cup rose. All right, so thank you so much for watching. Bye, and see you in my next one.